Yes, the field choice for science is number 9. Here we go. Here's Defense Champion King Crunch, Black Grave Digger, Aftershock, X-Ray Gunslinger, Cove Crasher, Earthshaker, Zombie Rex, Bulldozer, Bone Shaker, Iron Outlaw, Dallas XD, Cell Shark, Roger Dodger, Pony Crusher, Mudtreads Titan, Mudtreads Natural Hornet, Predator, Green Dress Tech, Purple Mulqueer, Chrome Avenger, Hound Hauler, Wicked Smokeware, Spider-Man, Prowler, Pony Central, um, Small Hill Bounty Hunter, and Scooby-Doo. I mean, in the agents, so those trucks are not good to choose from. Any other truck you could choose from, and the videos are most definitely be tomorrow. If not, some might be today, but most of them are tomorrow. And hopefully the comments will work. So for first time for a while, you guys can actually comment down which truck you want. I'm tired of choosing random. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.